The lightning froze. The lightning froze.
Yo, can we get sponsored by Pocky? I want to get sponsored by Pocky.
You should do a commercial for Pocky.
Yo.
Oh, let's go around and ambush them. They're outside.
Go, 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 go.
Ready?
Go.
Yeah. Got these shoes with 5 laces here. I don't know who the hell bought this. Bro, you like an 11 through 13, bro.
How many slots did you put in, bro?
One slot, $20. She's off-white. I see some new pollens down here. I don't know what type of dunks we got.
Fire, limited. Pull up. The lightnings and the 9.5. I like the OG kid, but I like those too.
You seen, man?
Limited supply. You know where that?
5 main, but I won with too many.
Alright, so we're betting
for the sandwiches.
Yeah.
Well, to pay for them. That's to pay for I got first.
I got winner. I mean, I'm gonna win, so.
Yeah.
What dropped today?
The lightning froze. The lightning froze. Lightning froze. Yeah, I dressed for the occasion. So I did go for them. I was sneaking. So I woke up this morning, I went for them, and I got out. As always, because Nike fucking sucks.
Hard. I like them.
He's just saying that because he got them.
What about you, Miles?
Not better than the 06 pair. I don't care. They're not better than the 06 pair.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. We got Miles over here, Miles Sanders, Miles Morales. Youngest in the team, and then we got Derek. Derek, what's your last name?
Wayne.
Wayne, Derek Wayne. 20 years old. Just coming in. We actually go way back. That shit crazy. We went to middle school together.
For real?
Yeah. Last night we had our giveaway, our free giveaway for the Travis Fragment. I had around almost 400 entries on the wheel. The winner was Jonathan Bekokubek. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name, bro, but that's your name. He won last night. He chose a size 9. So he chose a size 9. He's a winner chicken dinner. We got him to the side somewhere. And yeah, appreciate everybody for joining the giveaway. More to come. Our anniversary's next week, so look out for that. We'll have MASH if you are.
What's good? What's good? Doing another raffle. I'm Raffle King West now. We're doing lightnings and lights. Lightnings and lights. So what we're going to do is whoever wins, they get to choose between the lightnings or the lights, and they get some merch, of course. That's been my thing, is that I like to give out the limited merch, and I just ask everybody tags us when they get it.
Pocky. Sponsored by Pocky. Yo, can we get sponsored by Pocky? I want to get sponsored by Pocky.
You should do a commercial for Pocky.
Yo.
Yo, Pocky, I love y'all for real. Shout out to Pocky, they're the best in the business. Let's go. Shout your boy out. Let me get a sponsorship. I want the chain, I want it all. I want the sunglasses, I want the designer. Yeah, I did get a little sizzled, like bacon. Get it? Cause I'm smart.
I
like Kyle.
Boca Chacha Filet. Love y'all forever. Shout out. See y'all.
Why would you do that?
Cop's gonna pull me over, like, license please. I'm gonna just show him my growler's car.
Pocky. And go.
Wait, I have to go like this.
I was born in 1955.
I knew he wasn't gonna get it because he doesn't know how to do math. I can't even talk. This is the Giants. Get the fuck out of here.
We got the LeBron James 57s.
Here, it's Saturday.
It's Friday.
It's Friday.
The lid.
I got him all the way down.
I ain't show up because you know how I get down.
Hey, man. Chill.
You better take that shirt off. You're not a real Madrid fan.
Wait, let him finish this.
Oh, let's go around and ambush them. They're outside.
Go.
Ready?
Go.
What's going on, man? Shout out to Limited, man. You know, we just copped up. Off the wake, I just woke up. Drunk night. Woke up. Yeah, what's these right here? The lightnings?
Yes, sir.
Fire, limited. Pull up. Downtown New Brunswick. Right across from 7-Eleven. The lightnings in the 9.5.
You didn't hit on sneakers today?
Nah, I took it out.
Me too, bro. You like these or the OG pair better?
I'll have to go with the OGs.
You doing today?
I'm good, man. Picking up the 4s, man. Lightning 4s. I like the OG kid, but I like those too.
Facts.
Travis Scott's lows.
And you went on a raffle, right?
Yes, sir.
How many slots you put in? You remember?
Put 5 main, but I won with 2 minis.
How much was that?
$160.
That's a wow.
That's definitely a come up.
You keeping it or you flipping it?
I want to keep them, but I'm gonna see how, you know, if they go up a little bit, then maybe I'll sell them. But
And regardless, you'll still make something.
I definitely want them for my size. I mean, I definitely want them because, you know, that you had an 8.5. But
Yeah.
if I could keep them and, you know, flip them later on, but I'm probably not gonna wait them for at least a year.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait on them, you know.
Yeah, for sure. Well, appreciate you entering our raffles, man.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Of course.
So, tip a couple new flavors, you know, some good stuff. Olive with a pink. My favorite out of the batch. The darker green with a pink. Blue on blue Yankee.
Fire.
Blue bottom.
I told you to get a
Cotton candy.
I thought they were.
Classic Dodgers with the pink. This is a new one we wanted to try out. That's Athletics with a pink. Now the Dodgers with
Fire.
black and pink. The White Sox, you know, blue, pink, and red. And then this one's a new one that we haven't tried out yet. Florida Marlins with a pink. Red with the blue. Huh? 150 and 200. And the last one is LA Dodgers, but with the red bottom. All pretty solid colors, you know. I feel like they're gonna do really well. So
Got these shoes with 5 laces here. I don't know who the hell about this. I really hope they're not.
I hope so too, cause why? I better go buy some laces.
They got laces. Where the white laces at?
And the white laces. I mean, I guess just put the purple laces. I think the purple laces is better than the teal.
Undefeated Air Maxes. Joe 5.
Try to get cash out today or sort of credit?
Cash out.
Did you get on the lightnings?
Yeah, I got it. I bought it the other day. Spit 400. Yeah.
But 180.
Okay.
100.
Yeah. 4s.
Sir. You like these or the 06 one better?
These.
The OG is brand though.
Yeah.
OG is brand.
Oh, it fell.
The fuck? Alright, here, open the door.
It's gonna start pouring.
Teamwork. Makes the dream work.
Oh.
No bugs are harmed in the making of
I
this.
think it's raining. Getting up these dunks. Right here, what's the name of them? I don't know. Cheetahs. Huh? The Cheetahs. Cheetahs right here. Good New York hat, pink brim.
Sir.
Good World Series label on there.
Sir. Appreciate it, dog.
Always, man. Come shop.
Infrared 6s. I'm in theirs. Smash. 12.5.
12.5 women or 12.5 men? No, I have a new pair, and I ain't gonna hold you. I'd rather sell my new pair and just have a used pair, because I'd rather wear it.
Yo, they fit a little too big for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to get like 11.5 or 12. Eventually, man.
I have 11.5. But I already got somebody else swapping out with it. Otherwise, I would be like, let's talk.
There's a few. Got the fragments, but I'm gonna keep those.
You hit off retail?
Nah. Hit like a little bit over resale, but it wasn't that crazy. It's hard to hit retail nowadays, man.
I tried it for the lightnings. L.
It's hard,
I had
yeah.
to pay resale today on Go.
Man, I don't want to tell the story. We just went through trying to get them.
Really?
Yeah, like
It was hot.
you want to sit somewhere in front of a store, you gotta sit there, man.
Yeah, I feel that.
You gotta sit there.
I've always wanted to do a camp out, but I've never done it.
We went to the finish line, Woodbury. Dude told us.
That's crazy. I got my girl her dunks for finish line Woodbury literally like 2 days ago. I literally was just sitting out there. I was walking by and it was like, yo, they got pairs. I was number 4.
Bro, yo, what dude tell us? Yo, they don't have well they do. They have all big sizes. All the other stuff they ain't come in. So he was like, they're not gonna start selling them until Monday. Bro, we get there. We outside the store waiting for y'all to bring them in. He talking about, yo, the dude from Woodbridge they already sold them. I'm like, wow, bro.
275 cash or 300 credit, and then 200 cash or 200 credit.
You might have to start selling me some of your stuff out of your stash. Missed out on Chris though. He had the Thunders, man.
You're not even my size.
211, right?
I'm 11. Yeah. Bro, what the fuck size are you?
These are, bro, I'm an 11 through a 12.
Bro, you like an 11 through 13, bro.
Yo. Bro, sometimes, man, you got, you know what I mean? You got to stick that foot in there.
I used to do that too. I used to think I was a 9, but I'm a 7.5.
Sure. There you go. Much love. He buys them here, he sells them.
Some Shadow 2.0s.
I like the shirt. Go.
And you know, I'm trying the 6s.
Did you on retail for both?
I actually got both. One was a cop from the sneakers app, and this I got here on the story sale.
There you go. Thank you for bringing it back. Hit on lightnings today? Did you go for them?
You know, I got that L, man.
Me too, bro. So I'm
I
fine
think the
with that.
last time I hit was 3 years ago.
Same. Literally the Tinker 3s. That was my last hit.
I don't remember.
Oh no, I'm sorry. Lucky Greens. That was my last hit.
One on sneakers.
Yeah, Lucky Greens, bro. That was the last time I hit.
Listen, I complain about sneakers and then I praise sneakers. I'm one of those people, all right?
Yeah, because you hit all the time, Wes.
I don't hit all the time, because that's a lie.
Do we have to pull up your phone again?
No, but do y'all want to pull up my phone?
Actually,
and show
no, I don't.
all these goddamn
I don't.
kid sizes I want today and I ain't get mine?
You still want something?
Listen, I did.
You did.
And I hope these 2 kid sizes give me a men's pair, please. Or like strong.
You have a place for the Travis's?
I was looking for like 430. I was trying to see if I could trade it in. I was looking for at the off the wall.
You looking for credit?
Yeah, store credit.
Okay. Perfect.
Which one's your favorite?
Which one?
Out of these 2.
The Unions?
Yeah.
I have the Desert Moss, but I personally like these ones better only because it's more wearable for me. But
Yeah, I don't think I can match anything with
I
those.
can wear the Desert Moss. I mean, I have it, but you know.
No, I gotta go with the taupes.
What happened to the other pair?
He said it's sold.
Unfortunately.
What was it?
With the 4s.
Was it with the Union 4s on top?
It's with the 4s.
Nah, it wasn't with the Union 4s, right?
It was with the 4s, that's all that matters.
Love coming here.
Good seeing you, man.
Limited supply. You know where it at?
Appreciate
Alright.
it. Yes, sir.
Alright, man.
Take care, man.
Sneakers, who we got here? Game Royale. Shattered backboard. I'm just gonna point at Ike. The whole episode he's gonna be pointing at Ike.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Alright, fuck you too.
That's the smallest, but like over there it's like more smaller sizes.
And Jason got it super close up to my face, but look.
So Wes,
What up?
how was your day?
Oh, that's good. I got candy.
What you doing? Posting stories up?
Is that what's supposed to be? Yeah, we're definitely doing that for sure. I don't think I ever attended a Thirsty Thursday at like an actual bar. Yeah.
Man, Thirsty Thursday is legit what it is.
No.
They have crazy specials. Yeah.
What's good, everybody? It's now 11 a.m. We are just opening up the shop.
Yeezys, no box, 140, that's a steal. Red Yeezys, really clean, 275. Concord 11s for 300, super clean. Wave Runners for 250. You're not gonna catch that price because those are gonna go up. All right, yo, bro, what are you picking up today?
We're taking home some off-whites, some dunks.
So as you guys know, we've been getting these in. Total of 50 colorways. Not all of them have released yet though. This is lot 11 out of 50. It's a size 10, price at $450.
Hey guys, I'm back. Nice to be back at the store.
A bunch of shit. I see some off-white. I see some new pollens down here. I don't know what type of dunks we got. I'll be honest, it looks like we got some good shit, so let's see.
Some mochas, yeah, I went on the raffle. I'm so excited. They're right here. Size small mochas.
How many slots did you put in, bro?
One slot, $20.
Crazy, bro. What a steal.
Appreciate the team. What a steal.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Enjoy those. Have fun with it.
He came right. Look. Y'all see this? He came right here and said, "I'm coming to get my kicks today." You play no games.
One slot. He got off one slot.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Congrats.
I put one slot in too.
I asked you what it is.
What you picking up? You picking up these Beluga 2.0. All this shit just came in yesterday. We didn't even get to post them yet. You about to get the exclusive drop. We got the Beluga 2.0s right here.
Winline mic.
Winlight 96, Winlight 96,
82s, right? Winline mic 82.
Winlight 82 right there.
82.
We got the Shadow 2.0s right here.
Steels, man. Let me supply with the steels.
We got some Yeezy slides.
For the personal.
We got some Yeezy slides, Desert Sand, pre-owned, but still very clean.
For the toe. That's actually a pretty good deal. They
Fire Rep 4s right here.
I need them in my size, limited, 9.5, or even 10. Please.
Hopefully we can work on some more deals.
We will.
We just opened up 11 a.m. We are live.
He lying.
Ike is here. Shut up. Don't do that again.
Hey guys. I love how you guys record the GoPro when I'm here.
Not true. Not true because I use it the most.
Psych.
You see this shit, Kyle? I know you see this shit, Kyle.
Why are you recording?
I'm a little smacked, you know.
It's crazy over here, man. We getting attacked, we getting swarmed by a whole bunch of bugs. I'm running for my life, and I'm itching now too. The light colorway, Jeezy. My bad, bro. I got you. Let's take a look on the inside real quick. You see that?
It just looks like any other Yeezy.
Had to steal my girl. I was like, yeah. They won't let me buy more. Don't get one.
Yeah, they just be pumping dunks out like it's nothing.
Chief, if anything breaks, it's because of this guy.
Nothing is literally gonna break.
Isn't he supposed to be store manager?
Yeah, aren't you a Miss Store Manager?
I want my orange ball. I just want to shoot the fucking ball. I'm gonna shoot this shit.
Look at you. You're interrupting Wes.
This is why I be messing up.
Look.
Fucking basketball. This is why when y'all be on live with Ike shit be seeming all smooth because this motherfucker at the house.
No. Look at you. We're breaking stuff.
All I remember is there used to be 2 porches up there. Our sign used to be right here. Our seller's whatever the fuck, the license or whatever. All from that ball.
Protect yourself. Today's Sunday, August 22nd, 21st. Who knows anymore, bro? Processing some stuff. It's raining out, so I'm sure we're just gonna be chilling in here today. Probably get some sports going on. You know, chill day, Sunday Unlimited. Lot 4, I believe they just came in yesterday or maybe 2 days ago. I think a lot of them are really nice. Ones out of the bunch are the ones with the gray suede. I think they have gray suede, blue tongue. I think it's lot 14. Who knows though? Super nice collection. I like them.
I'm in like 3% of the videos on YouTube because I'm behind the scenes. You don't catch me in the spotlight here.
Because no one wants you in the fucking video.
Exactly.
Alright, so we're betting
for the sandwiches.
Yeah.
Well, to pay for them. To pay for I got first.
I got winner. I mean, I'm gonna win, so.
I'm like
free
Brian,
breakfast.
I'm like Brian O'Connor Splinter. I'm gonna win. Okay, get hurt. That's money.
So we're taking 3 shots each. So 3 shots each. Yeah. Basically, if I make one right now, he's paying for my breakfast. Okay.
I'm getting these foam runner sands right here, man. They nice and clean.
Is your first pair?
Yeah, it was the first pair.
Oh, they feeling comfy?
Yeah, feeling mad comfy.
This is orange, bro.
Yo, bro. Quick question. When you see this box, which color would you say is closer to? This color right here on the top, or this color right here?
The orange one.
What? Nah, he said, yo, you gotta hear. He said just say orange because you know he's wrong.
Yo, let's write a letter to Nike, and they gonna tell us it's orange, and then what?
Bro, you telling me this color is closer? This is
It's
closer
just
to
a different shade. I never said it's closer, not closer.
It's closer to this.
I'm gonna go with red. I mean, orange. I'll go orange.
What you picking up today, Brody? What you tubing from us?
Pick up these ones, purple quartz. You feel me? Nice ones.
Appreciate you stopping by, man.
You already.
Hearing our nonsense.
That's a 9.5.
Just copped the Midnight Navies and the Wave Runners, super clean. Look DS, to be honest, probably worn once. Chuck Limited.
So we got my man's came to pick up his pine greens, size 9.5. How much did you pay for them, boss man?
175.
Can't beat that. Can't beat that.
Absolutely not.
Got some Shadow 2s. Man, I love them. I love them.
Yeah, for sure.
Getting the cream plays, the foam runners. I didn't even like the foam runners at first, and it wasn't these. It was the mineral blue ones. I like those, and then they just grew on me. And I'm really getting this for an outfit. I'm gonna show my friends how to wear this outside.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Yeah, you got it.
The total's gonna be $375, boss man.
Alright.
You're paying card or cash?
Card.
If you
My car right there.
go ahead, go. Do you think? No, hold on.